show you geometric shapes that you can find around your house. Come with me. Hello, I am using the salt and pepper shaker for congruency. The salt and pepper shaker are exactly the same shape and same height. That is why I used the salt and pepper shaker. I use this cutting board to represent a plane figure. A plane figure is flat and thin, so I use this cutting board because it is flat and thin, just like a plane figure. Come with me into my pantry. I am using a lemonade bottle to represent a solid figure. This is a cylinder, and if you cut the cylinder in half, it'd make a rectangle and two circles. Our kitchen floor represents tessellation. The floor tessellates, which means they all can fit together in one piece. Our floor has squares that fit together to make an even bigger shape. Our table represents symmetry. Symmetry is when you can cut it down the middle and it will make two shapes. Take our table for instance. You can cut it in half and it makes two half circles. And when you put it together, it makes one whole one. And notice you can still see the line of symmetry. Come to our family pictures. These picture frames represent angles. Notice that each frame is 90-degree angles. Okay, Now we're going to go to our closet. Here's a yardstick. It represents a ray. Notice that has an end point that stops it, and it has an arrow that can go on forever. Okay, come into my room. My headboard represents line. I use tape for the line. These represent points, and these are arrows, and together make points and lines. I use the hinge on my door to represent a line segment. This is the last geometric figure that I'm going to be showing you. It has two endpoints. That is my line segment. Thanks for exploring the geometric figures with me. You can find geometric figures throughout your whole entire house.